spreadsheet that has a separate column for each of the groups and in each of the tasks. Basically, the other way of getting a pairwise comparison between what each of the groups did in the immediate and delayed post test is simply doing it separately. So namely taking this spreadsheet, going to repeated measures, and having still testing time and as a single factor with two levels. We're not going to put anything here this time because, like I said, we're comparing everything separately. And let me reset it so that I can show you. But basically what you're doing is like entering the covariate of group 1 and then comparing only group 1. So immediate post test for group 1 compared to delayed post test for group 1. Here I'm just going to leave it this way. Nothing here. Basically the plot doesn't interest me either. And here we're going to do this and that. And we're going to order descriptive statistics, estimates of effect size, and homogeneity tests. And we see that what comes out are slightly different means to what we were getting before. I suppose makes sense because whereas before we were entering all of the pretest scores for all of the groups as covariates, now we're matching the covariate scores for group 1 to group 1's performance only. So in a way it seems more fair, but I'm just wondering if by doing these I am not increasing the chance for type 1 error by running separate analysis like this. Now in this case it doesn't matter because we didn't find an effect for testing time, so we're simply increasing the chance that we're going to find it, and if we don't, we can be more confident in the fact that there really isn't an effect, but there may be for other tasks, and so I want to know if running the separate analysis is a good idea. Anyway, I mean, this does get us the pairwise comparison that we were looking for. It must be somewhere here. And it solves the problem of the 19 subjects. So here, of course, I can get 35 subjects, no problem, because I'm not working with separate n numbers. But we do see that there's not a significant interaction between testing time and group. And then we see, what is that comparison then? Yeah, we see simply that there's no effect. There's no effect for either the covariate or testing time. So yeah. Anyway, let me know if this interests me more in that I don't have a problem with the n size, but of course what I want to hear from you is whether you think this is a bad idea because of the increased chance for type 1 error. So okay.